goal of the course is really to expand the knowledge in minimally invasive spinal surgery. And Adam here from Ghana, who came so far just for the course, is a great example of how we trying to attract surgeons from really all over the world. And we'll let Adam say a few words about where he's from and why he came here and what he's thinking about the course. Adam?
Okay, yeah, I'm Adam Fuseini. I'm a newly qualified neurosurgeon in Ghana, Accra. I work at Kolebu Teaching Hospital. I got to know about the course through online research. I wanted to find out about what exactly is happening at the Cornell Medical Center. So when I applied, I was given the opportunity to come. It's been very interesting to learn from all fields of specialties, especially in minimally invasive spine surgery. It's a fascinating experience because where I practice, most of the time we have to do the open method. We don't have access to minimally invasive procedures. And I think it is very important that we get to know what is happening elsewhere in the world. We don't have to stay in Africa and thinking that everything can be done by the traditional method of extensive surgeries and all that. So it's been a wonderful opportunity for me to come here, and I appreciate all the support that I have received here. You people have been very helpful to me, and I hope to have a future collaboration with you. Thank you very much.